Alright guys, so now I'm going to demonstrate a few exercises for you that can help you work on the muscles that actually will allow you to activate your core during the Roomba walk exercise we showed. Krista will help me demonstrate. So, this one is for Transversus Abdominis, so the muscle that kind of wraps you around like a corset here and helps you maintain your posture, and the lower abdominals that we mentioned earlier. So first of all, we're just going to get Crystal to narrow and hollow, so like a scoop of ice cream right here, and narrowing on the sides as she's breathing out. And as you see, it's a minute movement, but it's very important, and if you do it right, you're going to start feeling it even as you're just doing that. So breathe out and narrow on the sides and hollow on the front. And narrow on the sides and hollow on the front. Then the development of that would be to slightly curve the pelvis in on each of the breathe out. So as you're breathing out, you're going to curve the pelvis in and then release. And breathe out, curving the pelvis in, narrowing and hollowing, and release. Next, you're going to start lifting your pelvis all the way up on count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming from the top to the pelvis. Hold for 2 counts, and then lower, starting with the upper vertebrae down, still narrowing and hollowing, putting the pelvis down last, and making sure not to move your knees here. If you need help moving and not moving, you can put something here and you can just squeeze like a ball or tennis ball, anything like that. So if Crystal continues now going up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, hold for 2, and slowly lower, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the counting is good because we're actually dancing, right? So we're not just doing yoga or Pilates, we're actually counting when we dance. Now we're going to use one side, right? So Crystal's going to go and do it like a Latin action. So like an 8-figure lifting from one side first, still narrowing and hollowing, and then come through this side, and then she can continue and come down from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Still narrowing. Let's go on the other side. And 1, 2. So that activates that side of your abdominals that you'll be using. You go as much as you can this way. And then slowly lower down from there. And that's beautiful. Thank you, Crystal. Try this at home. Let me know how it goes.